I actually wanted to ask you a question about what we should make of the senators' prayers. Hindi ko alam kung pinapansin mo sila. No? Ako pinapansin ko. Do they reflect the character of the senators? For instance, this morning, sabi ni ang prayer ni Mark Villar was, may this court reflect God's love and justice. Parang ganun, ano? Tapos yung mga ayaw magdasal, biglang silent prayer na lang. No? Yan ang nangyayari. So, yesterday we had silent prayer kasi hindi nagdasal si Camille Villar. How you're a pastor, how should we appreciate the prayers offered by the senators at the start of each hearing?
I heard the prayer of Senator Joel Villanueva. No, I didn't hear the prayer of Camille Villar. Pero palagay ko yung mga prayers nila is always asking for the truth to come out. Maganda yung ganung bagay. As I observe the senator judges, some of them na alam ko na politically wizened, they're not anymore listening. Ang akin lang pakiusap, sana makinig sila lahat. Sapagkat nakikita ko, nakikinig ng ibang senator judges, they're really trying to grasp the whole thing, no? Sana naman, lahat ng mga senador makikinig. May magtatanong dyan, pero hindi naman siya nakikinig sa proceeding. Oo, meron dyan dumarating, late, tapos umaalis uli. I mean, tapos magsasalita lang. Pare-pareho kaming nasa Congress.
Kung sino hindi nakikinig?
Sino
hindi nakikinig? Base sa nanonood kayo sa audience?
Well, look, Senator Robin Padilla isn't even listening. Senator Amy Marcos, lalo na, she's not listening. Ang iba dyan, nakikipag-usap kahit kanino. I hope naman they should listen because the Filipino people are also looking at them. Tumitingin din sila. Ito ba mga binoto natin? Nakikinig ba talaga itong mga to? And some of them are alright. Sana all of them will really appreciate the evidence and all of them will really like ng prayer ni Camille Villar, like ng prayer ni Joel Villanueva. We would like to see the truth of the whole matter. Yun ang gusto natin mangyari.